Thank you, Speaker. I rise today to thank the Government and the Attorney-General for this amendment. It's not an easy thing to speak about, it's not an easy thing to do, looking at the victims of road crime and incidents that involve often acts of violence and crime that end in the worst way in the loss of loved ones. This unfortunately has affected my community far too much. To this end, I recognise the families of the young people known as the Buxton Five. The families really would prefer not to be known as that, but unfortunately that's how they're recognised. These family lost 5 children and they were taken due to a crash after reckless driving. The loss of these young people is still felt in Wollondilly today, and with some unfortunate incidents we've had in the last couple of weeks, there have again the parents been triggered and been coming into the office to talk about issues they have. I thank the parents for not giving up and for staying strong, and I cannot imagine this loss and what it's like and what this amendment is about, caring for those who at no fault of their own are forced to deal with the loss of direct loved ones. I've sat with the families of the 5, I've listened to their pain and supported their community awareness campaigns and taken them to the Government. The Attorney-General has listened to them, and I thank him for his comments in his speech, recognising that sometimes timeframes just don't work, and that he will take this into consideration if any requests fall slightly out of the timeframes. Thank you also to the Attorney for recognising my advocacy. This amendment does much to provide for families that may be caught by the same tragic events in the future. Thanks to this amendment, direct family members of accidents similar to that tragic accident that happened just over 2 years ago in Buxton will result in counselling for direct family members. The Government's stance on backdating this and being open to having this provision open for others is the right thing to do. I hope and I'm glad to see bipartisanship, and this is unanimously go through both houses. Victims of road crimes like the surviving members of the 5 need to know that this Parliament's there for them when they are most in need. Thank you.